Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about numbers. And in this lesson, we'll be covering the number systems and revisiting the place values. Let's start with some warm-up questions. Let's work with expanding of the following numbers. I'm doing just one question for you. You can try the other ones. I'm doing the last question, that is 69,909. So I can write 60,000, add 9,000, add 900, and because it's a 0 at the tens place, we need not write that. Simply a 9 at the end, and this is how we expand the given number. Similarly, you can try these two questions as warm-up for you. Let's begin with the lesson, and let's first begin with the Indian system of numeration. Let's work with the given table and let's learn what do you mean by the given period. So here the first period comes the period of ones, in which you see ones, tens and hundreds. Then comes the period of thousand, where you see 1,000 and a 10,000. Then you have the period of lakhs, where you see lakh and 10 lakh. Then comes crores and then 10 crores. And at the last, here in the table we have Arabs and 10 Arabs. So you can see that how you write ones, that is 1 as a number, and the number of zeros in this number is 0 because we don't have anything written with the number 1. With 10, we have 1 0. With 100, we have 2 such zeros. And as you can see, as you move down the table, the number of zeros keeps on increasing. You can pause the video, have a good look at this table, and then let's move forward to work some more with the Indian system of numeration. So when we are working with the number system, in the Indian number system, we need to start from the right side and we'll put comma at the third place starting from the right. In Indian system, we put the first comma at the third place moving from right to left. This is how we can remember it. The next comma that you put needs to be after 2 places every time. Let's try this question together. Look at this big number. Is it simple to read this number? No, it's not. So let's divide it into different periods. Starting from the right, we put the first comma after 3 numbers because this is just what we have learned. Now, the next comma that you put needs to be after 2 numbers and then again after 2 numbers. Now I think we can try to read this number. This 5 comes in 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is in the 4th period. That is the period of crores. Look at this. This is the first period of ones, then thousands, lakhs, then crores at the 4th place. So the number is read out as 5 crore 98 lakh 36,826. Read each number related to the given period it is standing on. So 5 at the crores, 98 at the lakhs, 36 at the thousands, and then 826 because it's standing at the units or the ones. Let's look at the international system of numeration. Again, the first one that you see, that is the ones, tens and hundreds, is the period of ones. Then comes the period of thousands. But look, there's a difference here. We are having 1,000, 10,000 and then 100,000. After this we have the period of millions, in which we have million, 10 million, 100 million. Then come billions, 10 billions and 100 millions. You can have a good look at this picture here, that is the given table, and you can see how the numbers have the corresponding number of zeros in each one. Let's see how we put the commas in such numbers. So when you are working with the international system of numeration, we put the comma at after third place, starting from the right to the left. Let's work with this one. Let's put the first comma starting from the right, moving to the left, after 3 numbers. The next comma will be again after 3 numbers. Now let's see what we'll read this. The 9 is sitting in the third period. That is the period of millions. You can have a look at the table. So we will read this number as 9,836,826 because it's the place of units or the ones. I hope this makes some sense how we read the numbers. So we need to be just careful about which period we are standing on, and we simply read the number as it's given here. Now these are some questions for you to practice. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com. Thank you.